Wendy Ross in for Bob Harrigan tonight. And Wendy, the talk of the town, how hot it is.
Oh my gosh. And it's the feels like temperatures. It's the heat, the humidity, and it makes it feel as though it's 100 million degrees out there. And that's part of the problem too.
Yeah.
So you have to find air-conditioned space to find any kind of comfort out there. And it is still hot. Temperatures are still in the 80s right now. But the rain is gone. We had a couple of showers earlier, and we just had a few isolated thunderstorms as well. Most of the activity, though, was much east of I-75, and nothing really affecting the beaches tonight. So if you had plans to be at the beach just for a beach stroll and take a look at sunset, it was the perfect evening to do that. And right now we don't have any rains around our area. We've got some showers over the central part of the state. They've just been popping up over the past hour or so, but it's been a very quiet night for us, and we're about to see some changes too. We're going to talk about that. No thunderstorms right now. We had some later or earlier, and then they died out. Within that 4 to 7 hour period is when we had the thunderstorms. They were isolated and east of I-75. And if you recall yesterday, we had some drier air that moved in over the northern and central part of the state. And now that's pretty well moved out here into the Gulf of Mexico. You can see all of that dryness out there. And now we've got some more moisture coming on back in. And what we're also going to be seeing is that ridge of high pressure moves down to the south. We have a trough of low pressure sitting across the central part of the state, and that's going to help to stir up some more showers. So what we're going to be getting is a pattern shift. And you'll notice that during the overnight time period, we're going to start to see some more clouds coming on into the picture, and then we're going to start to get the rain showers during the morning hours. So we're going to get the coastal showers, and they're going to shift on towards the east as the day progresses. And in fact, our forecast is bearing this out. We've had some stronger showers over the northern part of the state at 11 o'clock. This is how things were shaping up, with partly cloudy skies along the west coast. And then during the early morning hours, during the overnight time period into the early part of the day, we'll start to see some showers forming out here in the Gulf of Mexico, and they're going to start to move onshore. And we'll see those showers during the morning moving towards the east throughout the day. So that's what we can expect over the next 24-hour period. And as you can see, temperatures are in the 70s and 80s, and mostly 80s for us, although we've had a couple of 70s reported. And you can see where they are. Arcadia 78 degrees, Punta Gorda 79, everyone else reporting temperatures in the 80s right now. And the heat index is still coming into play because we're still feeling those temperatures close to 90 degrees in some cases, especially here along the beaches. It feels very warm. You move inland and you're not experiencing that heat index quite so much. And it's very quiet as far as the tropics are concerned. We don't have any tropical developments at this point. Some waves coming off of Africa, and that's it. And as far as the wet weather that's affecting parts of Texas, that's that tropical plume of air that's still sitting over the eastern sections of Texas and riding all the way up into the Tennessee Valley. And that's been present now for several days. That continues, and hopefully by tomorrow we're going to see some abatement with that. Temperatures right now across the country still very warm over the southern tier of the nation, while the northeast is so much cooler with temperatures in the 60s and 70s right now. As far as the next several days are concerned, we are going to be seeing these temperatures in the 90s, and we're also going to be looking at 30 to 40% chances of rain. But here's the tickler in all of this, is that tomorrow is the official start of summer. And you thought it started at the beginning of this month. Not so. Tomorrow is the official start. Jackie.
All right. Well, thank you, Wendy. It'll only get hotter from here.